Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing some 18-inch locks on myself. I'm going to be using this Innocence Bohemian Locks crochet pack. I have 3 packs. And yeah, I just found this hair in my hair box. I have so much leftover hair. I was like, you know what, let's just use some of this hair. So there's 20 locks in each pack, so that's a total of 60. And I usually only do about 50 in my head, so I won't need that much. But let's get right into the video. Alright, so I just wanted to post an update. I am doing free parts in my hair. I literally can't see it, so I'm not doing square parts. I'm just kind of going with the flow because the way I want them to fall is kind of like a little bit more messy. This is my organic hair oil that I hand make. All the ingredients are 100% natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my head. Make sure your hair is not dry at all because your hair does need to be moisturized under these so they won't be dry when you take them out. So just don't put it on your roots because that's where you're gonna put the product so it can look sleek. So yeah, everything but the roots for now, and then at the end you'll put it on your roots, of course. Alright guys, I am back. I have 1 braid left. I just wanted to show you how I parted my hair. So I mainly did free parts just because I didn't feel like going in doing square parts. So I kind of just let the comb follow wherever. I can't see the back of my hair, so that's why I wanted to do free parts, just so it can fall a certain kind of way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this last braid. I am using Shine and Jam. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the braid, and basically when I do this, I braid the root about 1 inch or 1.5 inches, and then I go ahead and turn it into a twist. And I do that because when I take it out, it's way easier to take out the twist instead of a whole entire braid. And that's that. Now my head is complete. So now we're about to start the crocheting part. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I did do a couple. This is what they look like. So yes, again, I want them to be slightly messy, not too messy like butterfly locks, but you get the picture. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of my locks, and when I connect it, I'm not gonna do it at the root. I'm gonna do it probably like 1/2 inch down, just because I don't want it too tight at the root. I want it to be loose and flexible. So hook that in there. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my spring twist. I will link this in the description box as well. I get this from Amazon. So this, you're gonna crochet onto the root of your braid so you can make sure that you get a flat, hold on. So I'm gonna have a little bit hanging. This is pretty long. I want to say this is 10 inch, so I could do a little bit more than usual. Now when I'm wrapping, you want to do it tight but not tight to where it hurts. So tight enough to where it's not extremely loose, but it's not going to fall off because it's already crocheted in there. And I'm also going to wrap these a little bit tighter because I'm going for a smaller look. Usually I would wrap them looser if I wanted a more thick butterfly look, but I want these to look like more soft locks. So I'm wrapping them tighter than normal. And you want to kind of make sure you're fluffing the spring twist out as you're wrapping so it doesn't look like a twist. I'm going to show you guys on one of these locks. It kind of looks like a twist because I didn't fluff it out right here. But I want it to be messy, so I don't really care. But yeah, this is the look I'm going for. So yeah, you want to keep going all the way down. And the thing that I like about this spring twist hair is that it's so kinky. I don't have to like burn the ends or anything. Let me make sure I got my hair. I don't have to burn the ends to make sure it stays. It pretty much stays by itself. So wrap it as far down as you can. And that's literally it. So I will be back once I finish half of my head to show you guys more. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit more in detail. I'm about halfway done. All right, so let me show you guys a little bit more close up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lock. Get your crochet hook, knot at the root, pull it through, find your loop, close the hook, pull it through, hook it onto the lock and pull it through the hoop, like so. Oops, I got stuck. Like so. Grab your spring twist. Go ahead and loop that through the root. And then we're gonna start twisting. Let me get my baby hair out the way. I'm doing it pretty light at the root, but I'm stretching the hair to make sure it's a little bit more stretched out so I can have that sleek look still at the root. And keep wrapping. If you want to go further down, you can. I'm not going to. Show you guys another one. Go ahead and do this one. Grab your spring twist. Attach it to the root. And then start wrapping. All right, I am on my last two. So I'm gonna show y'all one more time how I do this close up. I'm gonna grab my lock, hook it through the braid, like so. So sometimes when I get to the bottom, I wrap it upward if it's too much hair. Just like that. All right, I'm on my last one. So I just wanted to show you guys a little close up. And we are all done. I'm gonna go do my baby hairs and I will be back. All right guys, so this is the finished product. Oh, that's cute. This is my organic oil, all natural and organic, no preservatives. I will put my website link below as well so you guys can order it. I do ship everywhere. I also sell bonnets and do-rags and detangle brushes. So please check out my website after you watch this video. And I hope I was able to help somebody do their hair for the free. until next time, thank you guys for watching. I'll show you guys a little closer up. And that's why I told you guys don't wrap it tight, because now I'm able to flip it and it doesn't hurt. So when you wrap it like semi-loose, you'll be able to flip it immediately, which is pretty much what you would want to do. And it's still not extremely loose.